Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to show you how to find the value of an electrical component on Samsung phones and tablets. For this you will need access to internet that I assume you already have because you are watching this video on internet. You also need the service manual of the device, including the troubleshooting document and the electrical part list document. On the troubleshooting document we can find the components layout of the device. I am going to use a Samsung Galaxy J710 board as example, but you can use this method for any Samsung device if you have the service manual with the troubleshooting and electrical part list documents. On the image you can see the location of the shorted capacitor. Let's open the troubleshooting PDF. The electrical component can be on the top side or bottom side of the board, so make sure you are looking at the correct side. In my case, the component was on the bottom side. Let's compare both images. The position of the lid. The connector. The position of these capacitors. Connectors for the antennas. Now, we know that the component is C5102. Let's open the electrical part list PDF document. Let's search for C5102. To the left, we have the part code. Let's copy this code. Now on your browser, go to www.examples.com. Paste the part code in product description. Select India. Select Import. Click on Search. Here, in the description column, we can see the part code and the value of the component. Capacitor for mobile phone, nice. Let's try to find the value of a resistor using the part code. Let's copy the part code of a resistor in the electrical part list document. Here you have it, the part code and the value of the resistor. Resistor for mobile phone. Comment below what did you like or dislike about this video. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notifications. Thank you and see you on the next video.